Welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, I'm going to demonstrate how we use the text function to generate the name of a day, Monday, Tuesday, etc., based on a date value. Text function is really powerful and flexible because it lets you take a value. In this example, it happens to be a date value, and then specify the format that you'd like to see the value expressed as. So in this scenario, in cell B2, I've entered the formula equals text, open parentheses, and then I reference cell A2, which has the cell containing the date value. And then the four-letter Ds in quotation marks indicate that I want to see the day of the week spelled out. So we see that that is a Thursday. Now, if I had used three-letter Ds, then I would simply get the three-letter abbreviation. Other alternatives, for example, if I had done instead of letter D's, maybe four-letter M's, then I would get the fully spelled out month instead of the day of the week. So you can use D's and M's to reference the day or month component of a date value with this text function. But again, we were talking about days of the week, so I'm going to use the four-letter D's, and then of course I can fill that down and we can see that that will populate for the other values as well. So this is how you use the text function to generate the day of the week based on a date value. I hope you find it useful. Please come back soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.